Hello guys, how to fix HTTP error 302 browser error on Windows 11 and Windows 10. This is a browser error, and to fix this issue, launch your browser. We will try it with Google Chrome and click on three vertical dot from the top right corner and go to settings. Here from the left pane go to privacy and security, and here clear browsing data. Choose a time frame all time and make the check against option all the option cookies and caches, browse history and site data, and click on clear data. It will clear browser caches and mostly helpful for various type of browser error. The next workaround is clear DNS caches. Go to Windows search, type cmd and open command prompt Windows as administrator mode, and in command prompt Windows execute the command ipconfig/flush DNS and press enter. It will clear your internet DNS caches. And to check whether HTTP 302 error is still in your system, therefore go to next fixes. Again go to Chrome, click on three vertical dot and choose extension. Click on manage extension and remove if you have added various type of Chrome extension on your system. Remove it. Remove all extension and your HTTP error 302 is no